Good afternoon, everyone. Yalancy Peterson here. Today it is Wednesday, January 16th, 2019. Happy New Year to you. I think this is my first video of the new year. Wow, 16 whole days. Well, as you all know, I make a very big deal about license plates, and today is a very special day because I finally got the license plates for my car. Woo, I tell you, it's been driving me crazy. You know, the state of California now requires temporary license plates or permanent metal plates on the vehicle. And I bought the vehicle on December 5th. And so now it's January 16th, and the plates were delivered to the post office today at 12:15 in the afternoon. I just got here. It is now 4:57. And I went to the post office and picked them up because I could not wait another day for these plates. So I'm pulling these bad boys out right now. And I'm already telling you, these plates will be replaced with personalized plates. But I got my tag, I got my registration, and here it is. This is my new California license plate. It's all right. I can live with this you know, for a while. You know, GTL, get that loot. I might keep these. I literally just came up with that. I'm pretty good at this. Get that loot. Lucky, get that loot. $326 a day is my goal now. I got a good one here. So here's the deal. Right now, I'm making about $150 a day on UberX, just driving around, picking up people, working from 6 p.m. until 4 in the morning. Those are my hours. With these license plates, I will be able to bump my goal up to $200 a day for one very important reason. I can finally start doing pickups and drop-offs at LAX. Just that one thing alone will change everything for me, because I will be able to add $50 extra a day to my earnings simply because I can finally go to LAX. I'm very excited about that. So look, I'll keep y'all updated on what's happening. By the way, on New Year's Day, on New Year's Eve and New Year's Day, because people have been asking me what my revenue was for New Year's, and I didn't want to make a special video for that. And the reason why was because I really didn't work that hard on New Year's. I could have, but you know, it was New Year's was a weird day for me. But on December 31st, I generated, come on, computer, hurry up here, waiting on the phone. Okay, on Monday, December 31st, I made $257.56. And on Tuesday, January 1st, I made $150.76. Now you have to keep it in perspective. I did 19 trips. I was online for 6 hours, 52 minutes on New Year's Eve, and I basically started at 6 p.m. On the first, I did 16 trips. I was online for 6 hours, 42 minutes. I could have made a lot more money, but the fact is this, I don't have 100% of my time anymore. I'm a caretaker. I care for a grandmother. She's 103 years old. And the way my schedule is now, after lots of finesse and working it out and struggle and giving up sleep and losing a lot of money, I work from 6 p.m. until 4 a.m. I go back to the house, so I'm there by 5 in the morning. I stay up from 5 until 11. And then I sleep from 11 until 5. It's working great for me. I'm making $150 a day. I'm a happy camper. Now I'm going to be able to make $200 a day. We'll see how it goes. I'm going to Lyft and Uber right now to take care of this. Everybody have a great day. I will catch you on the next video.